CNC Inclined Bed Lathe Lab Turn 2028. The Lab Turn is ideal for CNC training but also for small series production. The compact and mobile CNC lathe offers the full range of functions of a large production machine. The closed work area offers protection, is easy to see through and accessible through the large sliding door. The cast iron machine frame is a torsion-resistant slant-bed construction with easy chip disposal. The practical mobile base has enough storage space for tools and accessories, so everything is in its place, even in changing locations. Just like the large models, the Lab Turn is also equipped with ball screws and linear guides, both protected by sturdy covers. The 8-station tool turret has 4 tools each for internal and external machining. The main spindle rotates continuously between 100 and 3000 rotations per minute, and the 3-jaw chuck has a diameter of 100 mm. Long shafts can be supported in the tailstock with a centering tip. The Siemens 808 controller offers the ideal entry for CNC applications thanks to the simple, intuitive operator guidance. The menu structure and programming are very much based on the operating philosophy of the larger Sinomeric operate systems, which means that what has been learned can be transferred very well into practice. In addition to the lathe, KNUTH also offers a mobile machining center, the Lab Center 260 for milling applications. This model also offers all the functions of a CNC milling machine in a compact space. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of machine tools that are ideal for vocational training and further education. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to find the best solution for your educational needs.